Which element guides you? A quiet quiz to feel your inner nature. 5 questions, and at the end, your elemental force. Question 1. When I feel most alive, it's usually when I am A. Burning with an idea or a sudden spark. B. Flowing with my feelings, letting them carry me. C. Grounded, steady, deeply connected to my body. D. Floating in thoughts, free and unbound. E. Still, as if touched by something invisible and vast. Question 2. When I face a challenge, my first instinct is to A. Act fast, break through, ignite change. B. Feel my way through, trusting the currents. C. Stand firm, endure, hold my ground. D. Observe, analyze, and find a new perspective. E. Pause, breathe, and sense the deeper meaning. Question 3. The kind of energy I most easily offer others is A. Warmth, enthusiasm, courage. B. Empathy, listening, emotional presence. C. Stability, patience, practical support. D. Clarity, ideas, light conversation. E. A sense of peace, space, and quiet understanding. Question 4. If my inner world had a landscape, it would be A. A crackling fire under a starry sky. B. A calm, deep ocean full of hidden life. C. A forest floor rich with roots and moss. D. An open sky with clouds moving freely. E. A temple of light, silent and boundless. Question 5. What I secretly crave most is A. To feel passionate, fully expressed, alive. B. To feel deeply connected, understood, held. C. To feel safe, rooted, and real. D. To feel free, light, and mentally clear. E. To feel whole, at one with something greater. Now count which letter appeared most often. Ready? See your element. Mostly A. Fire. You move through life with warmth, will, and a spark that ignites what you touch. Your nature is to initiate, to inspire, to burn brightly with purpose. When balanced, you are a hearth fire, welcoming and life-giving. Your gift is your aliveness. You remind others that energy is a form of love. Mostly B. Water. You feel the world before you think it. Your nature is emotional, intuitive, and fluid. You know how to yield, how to heal, how to hold. You carry others in your current without them always knowing. Your gift is emotional depth, the ability to be with what is unspoken and let it flow. Mostly C. Earth. You are steady, sensual, and real. Your nature is to build, to nurture, to endure. You're the ground beneath others' feet, often unnoticed until they stumble. Your gift is presence, the quiet power of being fully here, in this body, in this moment, without rushing. Mostly D, air. You live in the realm of ideas, words, and movement. Your nature is curious, light, and ever-shifting. You connect people and thoughts like wind through leaves. Your gift is perspective, the ability to rise above and see the whole, and to breathe space into tight places. Mostly E, ether. You sense the invisible threads that connect everything. Your nature is spacious, quiet, and deeply intuitive on a soul level. You don't need to speak to be felt. Your presence alone can anchor others. Your gift is transcendence, the ability to hold light and dark together and know they belong to one whole. Whichever element moves through you, remember, you are made of all of them.